Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to coordinate geometry. Look here. Now, already you studied how to locate a point in the Cartesian plane. Okay. Once again, look at here. Phi 0 is in positive x-axis. You remember that. Minus 4 0 is in negative x-axis. 0 4 is in positive y-axis. 0 minus 3 is in negative y-axis. If the x coordinates are 0, it lies on the y. X coordinates are 0, it lies on the y-axis. If the y coordinate is 0, it lies on the x-axis. And here, x coordinate positive, y 0, when it is positive x-axis. X coordinate negative, y equal to 0, then it is negative x-axis. X coordinate 0, y coordinate positive is in positive y-axis. X coordinate 0, y coordinate negative is in negative y-axis. Okay, you see that? Next, you studied the position of points on the quadrant. For example, 3, 4, both coordinates are positive. It's on first quadrant. You remember that? Both of them are positive. Then minus 3, 4 is on second quadrant. X is equal to negative, y is equal to positive. Then minus 3, minus 4 is on third quadrant. X coordinate and y coordinate are positive, then it is on third quadrant. And 4 minus 3, x is equal to positive and y is equal to negative, it is on the fourth quadrant. You remember that? Already completed problems also yesterday. Is it clear? Remember, abscissa ordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate, ordinate means y coordinate. Abscissa and ordinate are positive, then it lies on the first quadrant. Abscissa negative, ordinate positive, it is on second quadrant. Abscissa and ordinate are negative, then the point lies on third quadrant. Abscissa is positive, ordinate is negative, then it is on the fourth quadrant. Is it all? Now already you studied the location of their points, and in this class we want to study how to mark a point on the Cartesian plane. Already you studied that also. Look at here. Now draw x-axis and y-axis which are perpendicular to each other, and with 1 unit apart, that means 1 centimeter apart, you mark the points positive to the right side, negative to the left side. That is x-axis. You remember that? And here also positive y-axis and negative y-axis. Remember, the distance between two consecutive numbers is 1 unit. Here also 1 unit, here also 1 unit, here also 1 unit. You remember that? Now you draw the Cartesian plane. Now you draw a rough diagram. Okay. And we want to mark a point. Look at here. We want to mark 3, 4, minus 5, 2, minus 3, minus 4, then 4, minus 5. There are 4 points. And it is ABC. How can we mark the point 3, 4? Are you ready? X coordinate is 3 here. Y coordinate is 4 is here. So the point is 3, 4. That is it. You see that? X coordinate and y coordinate, both of them are positive. It is on the first quadrant. Here it is first quadrant. You remember that? And minus 5 to negative 5 is here. 2 is here. So the point is minus 5, 2. That point is B. You see that? Negative 5, 2. Okay. And what's the third point? Minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 is in the left side. And y is equal to minus 4 is below. You see that? This point is C. That is minus 3, minus 4. You get the idea? Negative to negative. X is equal to negative, y is 3 is below the point. The location of the point is in the third quadrant. It's in the third quadrant. Okay. And the last one is 4 minus 5. 4 is here. And minus 3 is here. 4 minus 5, the point is D. You see that? Actually, it is not necessary to mark these points. If you use KB very clearly, it is not necessary to mark the dots. Okay? You can know how to mark the points. And if you join the points, it's a quadrilateral. If the question is to draw the quadrilateral of ABCD, then you join the A, B, C, and D. So you get a quadrilateral. Is it completed? How to mark points? You get the idea? One more question. Given that A minus 3 minus 4 B, 1, 5 and C, 3 minus 3. Are you ready? Now we want maximum of 5. So draw the axis. Remember, x-axis and y-axis are perpendicular to each other, and the intersecting point is O origin 0, 0. And with 1 centimeter apart, you mark positive numbers on x-axis. 1 centimeter apart, mark the negative numbers. Negative x-axis, positive x-axis, and 1 centimeter apart, the positive y-axis, 1 centimeter below negative y-axis, that is y-axis. Remember, the distance between two consecutive points is 1 unit. Is it clear? Is it over? Now, how can you mark that point B? You remember that? Look at here, minus 3 is in the left side, minus 4 is below. So the point is minus 3 minus 4. Are you ready? 1, 5. You look here. Is it clear? Let's see. 1 positive 1 is here, 5 is here. The point is 1, 5, the point is B. 1, 5. Abscissa 1, ordinate 5. And the last one is 3 minus 3. 3, positive 3 is here, minus 3 is here. This point is C, that is 3 minus 3. Is it clear? Then if the question is to draw the triangle, then join that. That is triangle ABC. Is it clear? How to locate the points, already you studied that. Okay. Now you locate the points first, plot the points, then join it. Okay, is it clear? Now I think that chapter is over. Some more little small problems, but most probably the main questions are over. It's an easy chapter and simple also. Okay, all the best. I will give you home assignments later. Okay, thank you.